Hi, everybody. So we're finally inventorying, well, doing the main inventory for the finishing kit. Yay! So you've seen this before. Uh, you've seen it with the empennage, the wings, the fuselage, and now this is the big last real kit, right? So we're going to be counting all the bolts. We're going to be going through the bag of hardware, all the pieces, etc. I saved this video for the last one this week because, well, there's not really much to describe other than just, hey, you know, we're counting stuff. And so, because of that, it's going to be Q&A and some rant time. So let's see. Am I still doing yoga? Yes. On the weekends, my wife and I drive up to Marin County to do a yoga class and then go have some kombucha. Now, for those that aren't aware, that is the whitest sentence that's ever been uttered by man. Okay, enough of that. It's rant time. Whatever do we have to talk about? To the entire population of the world that is freaking out because of the coronavirus, go f yourselves. All right, look, if you smoked all your life, you're 70 and you have bad health, yeah, this might have your number. This might do it to you. I'm sorry, but that's what's going to happen. If you're 18, if you're not that, then you pretty much don't have any reason to worry, right? Everyone's panicking, and of course, they only know what they read because this is the age of the amateur. Like, oh my God, it could mutate. I'm like, really? Explain viral mutation to me. All right, look, I only ask because I studied microbiology in college. I was a pre-med major. I know all of these things already. So when everyone's freaking out, like the guy next to me, he's like, man, I just bought a box of gloves. I'm like, how's that going to help? Well, that way I'm not going to touch my face as much. I'm like, why wouldn't you touch your face just because you have gloves on? And he just looked at me, and I watched his entire mental safety net shatter before my eyes. And he's like, it's not going to help. I'm like, ooh, you know what? I should just let you have that. So, to the few amount of people that are reading or watching this video, I'm going to shatter your safety net, but I'm not going to do it to everyone. So I've quit doing it. People are like, yeah, I've got 90 days of food at home. Really? Do you have 90 days of water? No? You're f***ed. You're just f***ed. Well, I got a 40 pack of 20-ounce bottles and like, okay, 800 ounces of water. That's 6 gallons. That's a week, if you're lucky. So look, don't hoard food. Ain't gonna help you. You want to help, just continue on with life as normal. Yes, take precautions. Yes, wash your hands a little bit more. But just realize that outside of what the CDC and the government's going to do, there really isn't anything that you're going to be able to do to stop it. People are like, oh, watch. Let's see which country shuts their borders first, right? Because they're panicky, reactionary children, right? And again, I'm not blaming anyone specific. The younger generations never experienced this for 20 years, so they don't have any kind of perspective on it. All they see is, oh my God, it's the end of the world. It would be better if it just swept across the world, or if you just gave everybody it and said, all right, let's see which 2% of you don't make it. Yes, it would be horrible and it would be sad, but then a few weeks later, everything would be normal. Not like this. This is nothing but a slow drag down into trying to destroy society. Well, not trying to. They're actually just doing it by fear-mongering. Can't we just go back to the old school fear-mongering where Republicans are going to take away your Medicare and Democrats are going to take away your guns? Can't we just go back to that fear-mongering? Seriously. Okay, that's enough of that. Look, what's going to happen is what's going to happen. If it takes me out, hey, that's life. I just hope I finish the plane first. Next week, we're getting into finishing kit stuff, so see you soon. Or not.